The Bentley Mulliner Batur is the epitome of automotive elegance and performance, a masterpiece that commands attention. This high-quality 4K YouTube video will take viewers on a journey through the exquisite details of this luxurious vehicle. Opening with an awe-inspiring drone shot, the sleek, aerodynamic lines of the Batur are captured as it cruises down a stunning coastal highway. The sun's reflections dance on its meticulously crafted exterior, highlighting the rich chromatic finish and distinctive grille. Transitioning to close-up shots, the craftsmanship of the Mulliner division comes to life with laser-etched detailing on the trim and bespoke Batur badging. Attention is given to the breathtaking 22-inch wheels, each forged with precision to ensure a ride as smooth as it is stylish. Cutting to the interior, our camera glides over the sumptuous leather seats, hand-stitched with the utmost care, and the polished wood veneers that add a touch of timeless elegance. The video then delves into the advanced technology embedded within the Batur, including the state-of-the-art infotainment system with a crystal-clear touchscreen and the immersive sound system, engineered to provide the perfect auditory experience. Detailed shots showcase the innovative features, from adaptive cruise control to the intelligent parking assist, each designed to enhance the driving experience. At the heart of the Batur lies its most impressive feature, the powerful W12 engine. Performance highlights include exhilarating acceleration clips on a racetrack, demonstrating the car's agility and raw power. Each roar of the engine is captured in pristine audio quality, giving viewers a taste of the thrill that comes with driving a Bentley. As the video comes to a close, we see the Bentley Mulliner Batur against a backdrop of a setting sun, symbolizing not just the end of our tour, but the beginning of a new era in luxury automotive excellence. The closing shot features the elegant Batur logo with the tagline, Bentley Mulliner Batur, redefining luxury.